Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install VSCode or Visual Studio Code in Windows. We'll also run a simple Python program at the end of this tutorial. Let's go ahead and open Google and type Visual Studio Code. Hit enter, and if you go to the first result you'll end up on this page. Go ahead and click on the download for Windows button and you'll see the file downloading. Once it's finished downloading, simply click on the file to start the VSCode installer. Click I accept the agreement, next button. Might want to check all of these checkboxes here. And then click the next button again. Probably the most important checkbox is the last one, because it's going to add VSCode to the path in our Windows environment variables. So we don't have to do that ourselves. Go ahead and click on the next button and click install. And we're simply going to wait until the files are installed. Now make sure that the Launch Visual Studio Code checkbox is checked and click Finish. Now that's going to open Visual Studio Code. And let's go ahead and open a folder. I'm going to go to my C drive. And I'm going to scroll down, and by right-clicking anywhere, I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call this folder Program. You can call it anything you want, just make sure to memorize it. I'm going to click Select Folder. Basically, in VS Code, that will create a new project. Okay, so now go ahead and go to File and create a new file. Go ahead to File and Save As. I'm going to save this file in our C program folder we created in the previous step. I'm going to call it hello.py. It's going to be a Python file. Save as type, select all files, and click Save. Now I'm going to type a basic Python program that all it does is just print out some text using the print function. Semicolons are optional in Python, so you don't really need them. Go ahead and save the file. Now let's go ahead and open Terminal. Go to New Terminal, and right here type py hello.py, which will run our Python program in VS Code. As you can see, we printed out hello from Python text. In order to run Python in Visual Studio Code, you actually have to have Python installed on your system, so you can call the py command. And I explained that in one of my previous tutorials.